If you would like to know how we made this shito, please keep watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Hi guys, it's me, Priceless Beauty. So today we come to you with Ghana shito. Yeah, so we're going to be making Ghana shito. The things that you need for the shito is a big cooking pot. You need oil. Probably this whole oil will finish. I'm not even sure it's going to be enough. You need ginger, peel and wash, and then you need, what's this called, onion. You need onion, so peel, wash, and then you also need garlic, which we've put in. So to start it, I'm going to blend. You also need pepper, and we're using fresh pepper. So what we're going to do is, to be able to blend, you need to put some liquid in it. Pour in. So we, instead of pouring water in, we use oil, so it will be able to cook faster. When you use water, it takes long for the water to get out when you are cooking. So we're just gonna blend the ginger, the onion and the garlic, and then blend the ginger as well. So we'll get back when we finish blending them. So once you are blending your ingredients, you put your oil in the cooking pot and then you put it on fire. You wait for it to get really hot, for the oil to get really hot, and then you put your onion, blended onion, you put it in there. You have to be careful and stay with that. See, the way it was hot, the oil was really hot, so immediately you put it in, you just start to cook it really well. Our onion in, and you're going to wait. What you're going to do is you're just going to keep stirring it and stirring it until you see the onion go brown, and then we will get back to you. So we're just going to wait for the onion to cook and go brown, and then we will get back to you. So as you can see, it's getting brown now. You need lots of oil to cook it. You see, it's getting brown now. You keep stirring. Whilst we are waiting for it to cook, you get your spices ready. And we've got monko spices, which we've already peeled. It's monko peel. We've already peeled. And we've got a tiny bit of chicken stock here. And we've got minced herbs, small, and we've got small nutmeg to put in. And other spice we are using, this one is crayfish stock. So of course I'm not going to put the whole thing in, I'm just going to put them in small at a time and see how much we need. And you also need tomato puree. And this is the one that we bought, depending on how hot you want it. If you want your shito really hot, I recommend you use half of this. If you don't want it too hot, then you can use the full bottle. But for me, I don't like my shito really hot that you are no start running when you eat it. No, I don't like it that way. I don't like too much pepper. And I've got roasted curry powder here, so of course you don't need a lot of the curry powder, like tiny teaspoon put in, and it will bring the flavor out. So these are the spices we're going to use, and then minced herbs. Put a little bit of herbs in it to bring the flavor out. Of course, you can use all the spices that you use to cook your food. These are the spices I use at home. So of course you can use whatever spices that you have available in your kitchen. So now, as you can see, it's gone brown. The onion and the ginger is cooked and it's gone brown. So we're gonna pour the pepper. Remember not to use water to blend your spices, like your pepper and ginger and the onion. Don't use water to blend it. Use the oil that you are going to use for cooking, because shito needs lots of oil. So just use oil to blend it, and it will help for it to cook quicker. If you use water, it will take long before all the water is cooked and drained out of it. So remember, that's one thing. And of course, the ingredients, you can put them in your own steps, so that you don't have to follow the steps. But it's very important that you make the onion cook. So now we're just gonna do the same thing, just like we did with the onion. We're gonna wait for the pepper to cook very well and turn brown, and then we will get back, continue stirring it. You need to continue stirring it. You come back, you check and stir it. Don't leave it on the fire for too long without stirring it, otherwise it will burn. So you have to keep stirring it occasionally so that it doesn't get burned. So we will get back to you. So now the pepper, onion, everything is in, and it's gone brown now, as you can see. So we're going to be putting the tomato puree in there. So there's no water, we didn't put water or anything in it. Sometimes it's easier when you put water in your tomato puree and mix it before you pour it in. But I don't want water in it because I want it to look quicker. But in this case, you have to stir for long for it to mix. So we're going to be doing lots of stirring. So this is the only water that I'm going to be putting in. Use it to get all the tomato puree in there. So that's the only water that we put in so far. So you're going to keep stirring. You see the tomato puree is lumpy in there. So you're just going to have to keep stirring for the tomato puree to mix together. Now we have the ground crayfish here, and Mrs. What's Mrs. Shrimps. No, yeah, we've got the shrimps and the crayfish here, and it's been blended to make powder. So we're just gonna, and this is the special ingredients that make shito. So we're just gonna put in tasting it. Wait, don't pour everything in. Put that thing down. Let's wait and see. See, don't wait for the tomato and the pepper to go too brown. As you can see, when you pour the crayfish in, it makes it darker. So always keep that in mind. So you just keep stirring, and then so this is a time for stirring and tasting. Taste it first before you pour everything in. You can use it next time. Huh? You sure we need more? Pour in then. You just want to pour everything in, not that we need it. So it's my sister. She won't taste it at all. She want to pour everything in. So from here, you have to stir it frequently. You have to keep stirring it. This is when it can easily burn and all your hard work is gone. So now, oh wow, I don't like pepper. Now we're gonna lower the fire so it doesn't end up burning. See, as you can see, when we started, it looks like loads of oil, but like now, look, all the oil has disappeared. Or when it's finished cook, some oil will come on the top. So all the spices has gone in, everything is in now. So we're just waiting for it to finish cook. So now the shitor is finished and this is the color. And it tastes really nice. Taste it.
Me?
What do you think?
Nice.
Christabel like shitor. When we do shitor, she doesn't want us giving it away. She will tell you, I will eat them all, don't give it to anyone. So that's our shitor ready. So what we're going to do is just leave it for it to cool down. We're going to turn the cooker off and leave it to cool down. So when it cool down, that's when we're going to bottle it. We're going to put them in a bottle, dry bottle. So we'll get back to you when it cool down. Maybe we'll bottle it tomorrow, not today. Of the shitor, we're going to remove the labels from the bottle. So always make sure it's got oil on the top. I don't know if you can see this well. Let me show you this one. So this is it for all bottle. Always make sure you've got oil on top of it so it can last. Stop it from spoiling. And also when you are taking some, always make sure the spoon that you are using is always dry. Yeah, if the spoon is not dry, it will spoil it. Yeah, so this is the final result of our shitor. If you are interested in ordering shitor, or you are doing a party or anything and you want someone to do shitor for you, you can contact us and we will let you know. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment down below. If there's any food you like to see us cook, comment down below. Thank you. Bye.